Last 2 minutes remaining in the first quarter. Labanan ng Minnesota Timberwolves versus Oklahoma City Thunder. Game number 4, bossing. Andeto, home court pa rin po ng Minnesota. Pero lamang dito yung road team na OKC. 27-20. Nasrid nilabas. DiVincenzo for 3. That was good. Andeto, 4 na lang dito yung kalamangan netong Thunder, bossing. Andeto, magta-tied ba yung series sa 2-2 or magti-3-1 match point na tong OKC? Ito na, umatake, tumira. That was good din. Okay, tara si DiVincenzo, bossing, miyak ng bola. Okay, DiVincenzo. Okay, nilabas sa corner, 3-point shot. Pasok din yan. And ito, boss, 3 na lang yung lamang ng Oklahoma. Okay, sino kaya yung lamang dito sa end of the first? Maraming nakaabang sa first quarter mga tropa natin. And ito na nga si Alexander dito, bossing, miyak ng bola. Okay, tumira ng 3, bossing. And ito, binawi lang ni SGA. And ito ngayon si DiVincenzo. Atake against Alexander. DiVincenzo. Okay, nilabas kay Gobert, boss. Pero natapik yung bola. But we have a foul. Okay, si Gobert pa yata yung tinawagan, bossing, ng foul doon. Okay, ito yun Alexander Akala mo nagdidribble lang, biglang tumira, bossing Okay, yun si Gobert yung nagbabantay sa kanya, so medyo mabagal, boss. And ito na nga, bossing, 6 dito lamang ng Thunder, and we have a foul na naman dito kay Alexander, boss. Okay, grabe talaga to si Alexander the Great, bossing. And ito na, magfi-free throw na itong si Alexander, boss. 32-26, pwede maging 8 itong lamang, bossing. Okay, May 27 na laban, boss. Okay, pasok yun ng free throw by Alexander, bossing. Okay, isa pang free throw para dito kay Alexander, boss. Okay, pasok yan, 2 out of 2. And eto, 8 lamang, bossing. Ant-Man ngayon, hindi maganda yung laro niya sa early game, boss. Okay, ito na si Edwards ngayon, double team, boss. Grabe yung depensa sa kanya. Nasrid against Caruso. Okay, grabe yung depensa talaga ni Caruso. 1 minuto na titira. DiVincenzo umatake. Okay, that was good, bossing. Okay, ito na, 6 1 minute na lang po tayo. And ito na nga si Alexander ngayon, miyak ng bola against McDaniels or Alexander Walker, yung pinsan niya, boss. Ito na, magpinsan dito. Okay, nilabas. Wallace for 3. Nakwala yan, boss. Okay, ito na, 3-point shot pa ulit, boss. Naku po. Okay, ito, siyam na. Okay, Joe. Okay, ito na si Gobert, bossing. Binigay kay Edwards. Edwards. Okay. Oh. Okay, and 1, boss. Okay, basket is good daw, sabi ng referee dun So, ito, bonus free throw para kay Ant-Man, bossing. So, high scoring po at 37 yung puntos dito ng OKC. Pwede pang dagdagan yan, boss. Okay, ito yun Okay, yun yung foul. Yun lang, nagbintis sa Anduan, boss. Bonus free throw itong si Ant-Man. And ito, 7 pa rin lamang ng OKC. Okay, ito na si Alexander ngayon. Mayak ng bola. Okay, Alexander. Okay, wala yan, boss. Oh, eto, loose ball. Makukuha pa rin dito ng Oklahoma, boss. Aneto na nga si Alexander. Nilabas yung bola. Ball passing dito. Wallace. Nilabas kay Hartenstein. Joe, miyak ng bola. Tumira ng 3. Short. Okay, ito na si Anthony Edwards ngayon. Mayak ng bola, bossing. Okay, Edwards. Nako, triple team, boss. And ito, may foul. Nako, carrying violation, bossing. And ito, turnover para kay Antman. Nagkalat dito yung Antman, boss.
28 turnovers. They have 7 turnovers in this quarter. They had 10 in game 3.
Okay, ito na, bola ng OKC. 3 seconds. Kaya pa yan, bossing.
We've said it over and over this series. You can't be sloppy with the basketball against this team. You have to be.
Okay, ito na. Mag-i-inbound na po. Bago matapos tong first quarter, bossing.
Have been on pace to set the NBA record. Oklahoma City, that is.
And ito na nga.
Per game off of turnovers in the playoffs.
Okay, ito na yung inbound, boss. Okay, bagsak dito. Ito na si Jalen Williams. At the buzzer, wala yan, boss. And 7 lamang OKC at the end of the first.